Hi dear students, today we are going to discuss about histogram. Histogram is a type of graph which is obtained with the help of this data which is shown on the left side of the screen. Here weights are given 20 to 24, 25 to 29 and their frequency is given along with the groups. So to draw histogram, first of all, we obtain class boundaries. Class boundaries are necessary for the drawing of histogram. Class boundaries can be obtained by subtracting 0.5 from the lower class limit. For example, here lower class limit is 20. So subtract 0.5, you will have 19.5. And then add to the upper class limit 24 plus 0.5, which is equal to 24.5. In this way, we change all the class limits into class boundaries by subtracting 0.5 from lower class limit and adding 0.5 to upper class limit. इसमें ऊपर की एग्जांपल जो है I am going to explain. Let's first group that is given is 20 to 24. So we subtract from 20 0.5, we have 19.5, and we add 0.5 to this 24 and we have 24.5. So this is the way to calculate the class boundaries from the given class limits, जो कि weight की form में जो है given है. Now dear students, we move towards the further class boundaries. Here 29.5, and this will be 34.5, 39.5, 44.5, 49.5, 54.5. This is done by adding 0.5 to the upper class limits and by subtracting 0.5 from the lower class limit. We have 24.5, 29.5, 34.5, 39.5, 44.5, 49.5. So these are class boundaries. We start drawing drawing graph. On x-axis we write class boundaries in this way. We start from the junior one, that is 19.5, and then 24, then 29, then 34. In this way we write up to end from lower class boundary to the highest class boundary. First value which I tick marked 19.5, this value is 19.5. Second one is 24.5, other one is 29.5, next one is 34.5, next 39.5, 44.5, 49.5, and the last one is 54.5. In this way we have completed our class boundaries on x-axis. To make graph of frequencies along y-axis, we select the scale 5 squares equal to 5. This will be 10, 15 and 20. Dear students, remember that if we want to draw the bar for frequency 5, it will be between 19.5 and 24.5. We are going to draw a bar between 19.5 and 24.5 up to 5 as given in the table. Frequency is 5, so height will be 5 and it will be between 19.5 and 24.5. Okay. The second value, as mentioned in the graph, second frequency is 8 and it is between 24.5 to 29.5. So I use red color to draw this frequency. For 8, the height will be 8. Now for the third value, as shown in the table, the frequency is 13 and it is between 29.5 and 34.5 and the height is 13, 29.5 and 34.5. Here we draw a bar of height 13 points in the upward direction between the class boundaries 29.5 and 34.5. For next graph, next bar, the height as shown in the table, that is 22 and it is between 34.5 and 39.5. So we draw the bar between 34.5 to 39.5 and its height will be 22 according to the given table. Now move towards the next bar. This bar, as shown in the table, its height frequency is 15 and it is between 39.5 to 44.5. So height which I am going to draw, it is between 39.5 to 44.5 and its height will be 15 as its frequency. There is another value, that is 10. Frequency is 10 and it is between 44.5 to 49.5. So we draw the graph between 44.5 to 49.5 and its height will be 10 as given in the frequency table. Last value, first of all we select a suitable color. This is pink. Last value frequency is 8 and it is between 49 to 54. So I am going to draw a bar between 49.5 to 4.5 and its height will be 8. So dear students, this is our histogram according to given group data. And remember, to draw histograms, class boundaries are very necessary. And after obtaining class boundaries and frequencies, we select suitable graph and draw histogram. I hope you will understand it very well. And if you like this way of teaching, then you are requested to subscribe my channel for further informative videos which will be uploaded as soon as possible.
Audio